Hello everyone, this is Robert Tantullo, proud founder and leader of the Onpassive business model. Today I want to talk to you about the key to business innovation and development using our Onpassive business platform. Onpassive innovates business activities by allowing companies to employ partial automation with end-to-end automation all in a single platform. The tools help business owners to enhance productivity and provide accuracy and precision by reducing your efforts. In benefiting the future-rich platform, Onpassive can take your business to the next level. Onpassive is an artificial intelligence tech company that builds fully automated products using the latest technologies for our global customer base. Onpassive brings in competitive advantage, innovation, and fresh perspectives to business and technology challenges. From strategy to designing, implementation, and management, we are here to accelerate innovation and transform businesses. Our wide range of artificial-based products and solutions aim to transform global enterprises digitally. Onpassive's product innovation and digital transformation strategies help reinvent business models to help our customers achieve better operational efficiency and client experience. We enable the full range of game-changing artificial intelligence technology and services that are easy to use, adapt, and scale, making our clients successful in a fully connected world. We aim to help our clients build strong customer relationships, drive sales, identify new opportunities, and analyze marketing results to enhance their business. Onpassive is nurturing a dream to make a difference for everyone. Onpassive is the only total internet solution company with a complete ecosystem of artificial intelligence-driven applications and tools. Tagged as the first ever robust smart business solution, Onpassive is the one-stop solution for all your innovative and technology necessities. With Onpassive, you get a viable business that is powered by an efficient and productive tool set that sets on autopilot, fueled with an unending and unlimited amount of traffic to your business. The solutions we offer emphasize and work towards automating a wide assortment of tasks to augment the profitability of your business. The organization likewise focuses on actualizing and implementing advanced artificial intelligence technology offerings that can adapt to varied sized and firms. Similarly, small and medium enterprises are the ones that will profit from our solutions by empowering them to a modern technology to avert any competition from large global corporations. Please contact me for more information. I will provide you with the resources and knowledge you need to make an educated decision for your business needs. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and I hope I provided you with valuable information and knowledge for your business needs.